Hi, I'm Shawn Lupoli, Instructional Professor for Computer Science and Engineering. In CSCE 221, data structures, we're slowly moving away from code and understanding some complex algorithms. In our first topic, we'll do a review of linked lists and how linked lists are linked, how they're managed, and how their memory is taken care of. For our second topic in data structures, we go over trees. Binary trees, binary search trees, red-black trees, and all of the applications that are pervasive in all of the stuff that we do in our lives. Another topic that we cover is maps and dictionaries. What if your data isn't exactly organized? How do we use a map to edit, delete, and search for data that we need to find quickly? That's a powerful tool that map or dictionary really is, and we get to use that. Our last topic in data structures is all about graphs. The same type of graphs you use in Google Maps on how to search and find different things within a complex network. At the end of this course, you'll be able to appreciate the various applications of different algorithms, understand their speed, their strengths, their weaknesses. With program assignments, you will understand how to develop and apply these data structures with an application.